Hello, everyone, and welcome to another random recording before the end of the year. So this is going to be out for everyone to see. So I'm going to fix one thing inside this game. I tried to do it yesterday with horrible results. Probably should even mention it. But I tried to add a few things and I failed miserably. So now I'm going to try those same things but succeed. As you can see, I have a few widget here that still from the last recording session. Um, that's probably going to go up on my other channel. But let's start with recording something for uh, my devlog. And at the start of next year, we shall see a little bit of the development of the characters from Threads of Fate. More creation videos will be released. Um, Fast forward videos. Also, by the way, I also lost my music for some of those videos, so I hope you don't mind waiting just a little longer for certain things because I uh want to do a video for the start of the month on my new PC and uh finish this before the end of the year. And I wanted to do a few more other things. But in order to do that, I need to uh, get something out. Uh, because I feel as though I betrayed you all by not giving you anything at all. So, yeah. So let's start by doing this. All right. So I want to duplicate this and have you be pause menu widget BP1. And I only need one widget. So BP. Open that on up. And we're going to change a few things besides this. We are going to gray this out. So let's take this and where is it? Font color. Okay, there. Uh, adding on to it. Where's the main font color? Because I want it to be grayed out. Options, text, blend. Do I lose the ability to edit? Initial. Anyway, it's gonna be grayed out. I can't make it completely gray for some odd reason. So it's gonna be blacked out. I don't know how the hover over works yet. Shadow, it's transparent. Mm-hmm. Stroke. Can't see it. Maybe it's stroke. Put that back where it was. I can't change the color for some odd reason. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to delete it. And go to this one. And it's text. Text. Add it back in. And it's shared group. I don't want that. I don't want it to be shared. I guess that would have to do. There you go. Okay. There you go. It was higher up at the very top. Font color. This shall be grayed out. For now, because I don't have a options for it. So yeah, that's the thing. Grayed out. And let me make this button grayed out. That's too gray. Then you won't be able to see it. There we go. That's good. Okay. Did that. Gonna do it like that. And options quit. continue, options, grayed out, and this is pause. Okay, compile and save. Back to level, and we want to go to. Oh yeah, by the way, hello Paddywug, cute Paddywug. We have Paddywugs as emotional support. You'll be seeing a lot more of these on the next recording videos. I made a few short small rigs, and they're gonna be there as promotional stuff for the games. So yeah, look forward to that. Yes. No. It's characters. Where's characters? Characters is in content. Content. Characters. Character S. Rue. B. Oh, save! What a glorious time that is. So we would have had some issues being printed out. Compile and save, you bum. Uh, Son of a duck. Alright. Okay. Um, so first we want to get the pause input. So pause or pause imp. Do I have the pause input? Yes. Pause imp. That's not what I need. I need pause. Enhance. No, not enhance. We might as well just copy this. Pause. Copy. Global. It's not value. There you go. Event. And we're gonna do this. And we're gonna say pause start. And we're going to get pause. Oh, pause widget. Pause menu. Widget BP. Yes. Okay. So we're going to add to view To viewport. Target self. No, not self, but the pulse menu. And then set pause. Set game to pause. Okay. Okay. So once you drag off here and get set mouse, 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 cursor. I think that's it. No, that's not it. Save. Let's get controller. Yeah, I think that's it. Set mouse. Or I just look up mouse. See. Mouse. Or show mouse. Show mouse. How do you say it? Mouse input. I don't want just inputs. I want to get mouse. Okay. Show mouse. I don't have that variable, so I wouldn't know. Get controller. Let me add that variable then. Let's try this one more time. Set show mouse. Mouse cursor. Cursor. No, we have to set this variable ourselves. It's not set up for us. So, we're going to add a variable boolean show mouse. And in here, we're going to camera category collision default on render actor. I'll just leave it on default. And it doesn't say anything about. See, this is the only thing I don't like about tutorials. They don't say specifically what they did. So let's try it now. show set show mouse no, it's something that's not available in this version. Uh, so let's click that. Then set uh, mouse. The float. And let's go through inputs. Set now we have to find it. Hold on. I think I know one more thing I can do.
The mouse to be on, check it to true. Otherwise, check it to false. Compile, save. Hope that helps, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.
Mouse cursor. This will make it so we can see our mouse cursor. And then we also just want to drag off here and look for set, input, and we want, can't see it, so this one, yeah, sorry. Set input mode UI only, and that'll just make it so we can interact with our main menu and stuff. So I'll just get it from here.
Okay, so set all of this needs to be copied and paste in our menu. Actually, let me set it up properly. Actually, let's pull this out. There we go. Okay. Config. Does this work? Warning, that will cause a problem, so we don't want that. Hold on. Right. That will make sense. I need to set the class. Pause. Oops. Pause. Pause. Pause menu. You didn't. What happened? Set object. Pause. Oh, it is itself. Did I do it wrong? I did it wrong. So we are going to event start. Uh, we'll pause the start. We're going to uh create widget. Widget. Create widget. Pause. Pause menu widget. I was like, it's not saying the same thing. Why is it saying the same thing? But it takes on the name of whatever you created. Pause menu widget. Whatever you named it. Uh, I don't want to say widget twice, so it's fine. I do want to add an. I do want to add an a W. W to this. W to it. And now I think I have everything set up. Yeah, I think I have everything set up. Error. I don't have everything set up. So, okay. Now, pause widget. This one, we have one asset editor was open when the editor was last closed. Let's go to no. We have this, which is quit game and close. So we have that. There. What did I just do? Anyway. I'm at a loss. Let me go back, please. No, I don't want to bookmark. Quit. Okay. Pause menu widget. And we're going to go to this one. I need to learn how to navigate much better. Blueprint. We're gonna take all of this, copy it, go to pause. This is quit. Oh, that's why it has all the buttons in here. This is just a blueprint of it. Right, I need that. So I want continue to be above. Let's drag this away from all of that. I want you to be way up here. There we go. You down here because I need more menu space. Why you go so fast? Here you go. do that again. Face 0.0.0.0.0. uh, Q. Q. I guess that works. And we want to uncheck these for continuing. And we want to change this one from that to set UI game only. There we go. So now all of that is checked out. Okay, set game mode and UI. Or game only. Game mode. Game mode. Set game mode. Yeah, there it is. Game only. Oh boy. Okay. Flush inputs. Okay, I need to fix some things here. So I want to set pause. Game pause. Set game pause. Uncheck it. Set show mouse. Uncheck that. And give me the widget. Give me the widget. Thank you. And that's what I had right here. But I need to do all of this first before anything. And then off of here, I want to show. Remove parent. Move from parent. Self. Okay, so it's gonna unpause, unshow mouse, get player controls, unshow mouse, and player controls is back to game mode only, and remove itself from parent. Compile and save. Let's test that out real quick. It would help if I plugged in the controller in advance. It's not working. So let me make sure I have everything else set up. Let's go to game mode and go to inputs, keybinds, pause. Pause is all set up. Okay. Pause is set up. And we need to go back to inputs. We need to go back to settings, UI or inputs. No, game mode. UI elements. No. Where is it? Player settings, controller. Inputs. I do not have this inputs for it did not save. This is the one thing it didn't save. Add input. Input pause. Alright. So let's put P here. And we are going to add another. How do you add another? Right here. Gamepad. I'm going to set this to gamepad. How do you do that? There you go. I just pushed a button. Alright. Save. Back to level. Alright. Pause again. Oh, I need to make sure that... Okay, it worked. Pause, and then you go here, and you go quit. Okay, it works. It works! Oh, that's awesome! And options is grayed out because there is no options. Let's get a better showcase of it in action. I want to use the analog, so I want to see if I can add the analog to move around, not just the mouse cursor, because I want this to be available for other platforms other than PC. So options does nothing, and continue, and it's back to camera mode and play mode and push P. Okay. Now I need to fix the rendering, but I'm not gonna do that until next year. When I recreate all of this with the new model, new textures, and new new getup. So now I know that it works. So I'm not gonna push that. I'm gonna push the escape key. Escape key. That makes it quick, easy, snappy, and accessible. Okay. That's it for today's recording. I just wanted to add the pause button and get it working and make sure that the game is able to quit. So you can quit and load and do all that extra fancy stuff anytime you need. So that's all I wanted to do for today. thank you so much for watching and sticking by, and I hope to catch you guys in the next video. And see you, Pollywog. See you, Pollywog. I'll catch you guys in the next video of whatever I make. And until then, I'll catch you next time. Matane. Gina. Hehe. Did they leave? No? Well, good. Because I wanted to say some ending notes. This demo will be updated by tomorrow. And everything will be available for download and for play. It's the same game. I do want to make a few more changes, but I'll let that be done for the next project. So yeah, stick tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Okay, for sure this time. Matane, Gina.